Hello viewers, Vanakkam. I am Revati Dandapani from Astro Ritually. Thank you very much for the support you have given so far. If you are watching my channel for the first time, please like, share, comment and subscribe and hit the bell button. This video is for Jupiter Transit 2021-2022. It's a wonderful transit. It is human nature to expect something good will happen in every planetary transit. As per Vakya Panjangam, Jupiter transit is on 13th November 2021 and as per Tirukanitha Panjangam, it is on 20th November 2021. Jupiter is a planet of tolerance and expansive. It is associated with the sense of humor, plenty, good and bounty. Jupiter is called as Putrakarakan and Dhanakarakan. If Jupiter is placed in 2nd, 5th, 7th, 9th and 11th house, it is said to be very good. This transit is of two stages, that is regular and advanced transit. Regular transit is between 20th November 2021 and 12th April 2022. Advanced transit is 13th April 2022 to 31st July 2022. After that, Jupiter retrogrades and comes to Aquarius. In the regular transit on 20th November 2021 to Aquarius, Jupiter travels on Dhanishta 2 padams, Sadabhishak 4 padams, Purva Prashtabhada 3 padams, which are the natives of Mars, Dragon Rahu and his own. In the advanced transit to Pisces on 13th April 2022, he will be traveling on Purva Prashtabhada 4th Padam and Uttara Prashtabhada 4 Padams and he will be there till 31st July 2022. After that, he retrogrades and comes to Aquarius on September and will be there till October. This is the transit history of Jupiter. Aspect of Jupiter is favorable than his placement, as his aspect is on 5th, 7th and 9th konas. This recording is for Jupiter Transit 2021-2022 for all 12 signs from Aries to Pisces. Dear Aries sign, Aries ascendants, Ashwini, Bharani, Kritikai, first Padam. Star viewers, 9th and 12th house Lord, Jupiter in 11th house, which is for profits, fulfillment of desires, friends, knowledge and elder siblings, legs and minerals in the body. Transits from Capricorn to Aquarius on 20th April 2021. He will be transiting on Dhanishta 3rd and 4th Padam, Sadabhishak and Purva Prashtabhada 1st Padam. On the Dhanishta star 3rd and 4th Padam, which is controlled by Mars, Jupiter travels from 20th November 2021 to 1st January 2022. So it is favorable to have the 9th house Lord in the 11th house. Chance of getting unexpected profits are seen. Your desires will be fulfilled as per your wish. You will be very active. Change of job will be beneficial. From 2nd January 2022 to March 1st 2022, Jupiter travels through Sadabhishak star, which is owned by Dragon Rahu, which will favor you with abroad chances and education. You may be favored by other language, other religion people. March 2nd to April 12th, Jupiter travels through his own star Purva Prashtabhada, first Padam. You will be searching something, service-minded. You will be knowledgeable. From April 13th to 31st July, Jupiter will be accelerated in an advanced transit to Pisces on stars Purva Prashtabhada 4th Padam, Uttara Prashtabhada, which is controlled by Saturn, and Revati, which is controlled by Mercury, and retrogrades back to Aquarius. Hence his transit in Aquarius in November 2022. There will be profitable job change, promotions, elder siblings will cooperate. Jupiter aspects over 3rd house Gemini, 5th house Leo, 7th house Libra. You will be courageous to face anything. Your artistic and writing talent will flourish. Younger siblings will cooperate. Aspect of Jupiter over Leo. Fifth house may bless you with childbirth for those who are waiting and will be gifted with the blessings of family deity. Aspects over the seventh house will make partnership business prosper. Friends and business partners will cooperate. Spouse relationship will be intimate with love and affection. This prediction is valid till April 12th of 2022. But in the advanced transit from April 13th, situation may change. You may have to face tiresome travels and unnecessary expenses over joyful occasions and celebration. Chances for abroad and a long distance travel is seen. You may have to travel long on business, trade, and career. In the advanced transit, Jupiter aspects over 4th house Cancer, 6th house Virgo, 8th house Scorpio. There will be marked improvement in mother's health. Chances of purchasing house, land, and vehicles are seen bright. You may renew the old house or purchase a new house. You may exchange the old vehicle for new vehicles. Chances for clearing old debts are seen. Ailments so far suffered in the health will come to an end. Be away from court cases and controversies. Chances for sudden fund flow is seen. Dear Taurus sign, Taurus ascendants ruled by Venus, Krittike 2nd, 3rd, 4th Padam, Rogini, Mrigasisham 1st and 2nd Padam star viewer. Your 8th and 10th house Lord Jupiter transit to your 10th house Aquarius on 20th November 2021. 10th house is the house of career. So sudden change in your career may happen. Sudden movement in the way you approach in your career may also happen. Suddenly, your knowledge will be questioned and you have to upgrade your knowledge forcibly, which will make you look for better opportunity and for a better project, which Jupiter in the 10th house will facilitate. Your 10th house Lord Saturn in 9th house Capricorn ruling will make your business, trade and career flourish. Be cautious in financial dealings as 8th house Lord Jupiter is in the 10th house Aquarius. Don't stand as surety in lending or borrowing. Prophet Lord Jupiter in the 10th house Aquarius, which is the 12th house of 11th house. Chances for unnecessary expenditure and tiresome travels are seen. But Jupiter aspects over 2nd house Gemini, 4th house Leo, 6th house Libra. Family life will be harmonious. Family members will cooperate. Fund flow will be flawless. There will be marked improvement in mother's health. Your dignity, self-prestige and respect will flourish. Chances for purchase of house, land and vehicles are seen, and getting easy bank loans for the purchase of the same is also seen bright. Higher education will flourish. Chances of getting seat in the desired institution and the subject you wish is seen bright. Old debts will be cleared. Health issues so far suffered will come to an end. Enemies will run away seeing you. When Jupiter travels over 7th and 12th house, Lord Mars own star Dhanishta, 3rd and 4th Padam from 20th November 2021 to 1st January 2022. Spouse relationship will be comfortable with flexibility and give and take policy. Be cautious with the activities of friends and business partners. Chances for immovable properties are seen bright and you have to spend more and travel more for getting the same. From January 2nd to March 1st, Jupiter travels on Dragon Rahu star Siddhabhishak, which will give you chances for abroad education and employment opportunities. Other language and other religion and abroad friends and relatives may help you. From March 2nd to April 12th, when Jupiter travels over his native star Puraprosthapata, you may get unexpected profits. Your long-lasting desires will be fulfilled. But be cautious in financial dealings. From April 30th, 2022 to 30th July 2022, he will be in Pisces in the advanced transit in the 11th house. In Puraprosthapata 4th star till April 29th, from April 30th to July 31st in Saturn's Uttaraprosthapata Nakshatra, and after that retrogrades to Aquarius will be there till November 2022. So, during this period, business, trade and career will flourish. You may get the expected % profits. Long-lasting desires will be fulfilled. Your skills, hard work will be recognized and appreciated by the superiors. Jupiter aspects over 3rd house Cancer, 5th house Virgo, 7th house Scorpio. From 11th house Pisces, all your efforts will be successful. You may have short distance travel, which will be profitable. You will be courageous to face anything. Children will flourish in education and other activities, and you may feel proud about them. Worship of family deity will be favorable. Those spouse relationship will be intimate with love and affection. Flexibility and give and take policy should be there to avoid misunderstandings as Dragon Ketu is in 7th house. Be cautious with friends and business partners. On the whole, this transit is almost favorable for Taurus. Dear Gemini sign, Gemini ascendants ruled by Mercury, Mirgasisham 3rd and 4th Padam, Tiruvadirai, Punarpusam 1st, 2nd, 3rd Padam, star viewers. Your 7th and 10th house Lord Jupiter in 9th house Aquarius from 20th November 2021. 9th house is the natural house of Jupiter, Guru Bhavam, kind of Subhagrahi. 9th house is religious, spiritual gains, expansion of destiny, expansion of ideas, new desire of going to temple pilgrimage, learning by traveling, by reading book. Personality development is towards God. Seek the Guru and acquire knowledge. As the 7th house Lord is moving to 9th house, marriages can be arranged with the blessings of Jupiter. He is the 10th house Lord moving to 9th house, that is the 12th house of 10th house. There may be some pressure in the business, trade and career, but problems will be very less when compared with 8th house Jupiter. Chances for getting paternal property is seen. You may get the help and support from your father. Fund flow will be flawless without bumps. 9th house Jupiter will help you in arranging marriages. Jupiter aspect sober. Your sign Gemini, 3rd house Leo, 5th house Libra. Your working skills will flourish. Your vocation will have respect. You will be courageous to face anything. All your efforts will be successful. Short distance travel will be profitable. You may feel very happy. Children will flourish in education and other activities. You may feel proud about them. Blessings of family deity will be always with you. 7th house Lord in the 9th house duly aspecting the 5th house may give you babies. Those who are waiting for second marriages will get their divorce successfully and get their alliance, and marriages will be fructified. This prediction is for the period from 20th November 2021 to 12th April 2022. From 20th November 2021 to January 1st 2022, Jupiter will be in the Avittam 3rd and 4th Padam, which is native of Mars. Fund flow will be flawless as he is the profit house Lord. Long-lasting desires will be fulfilled. You may get unexpected profits. Take care of your health. Be cautious in your financial dealing as he is your 6th house Lord. Don't stand as surety for anyone. From 2nd January 2022 to March 1st 2022, Jupiter travels in Dragon Rahu star Satabhishek. Chances for abroad education and abroad job is seen. You may get the help and support from other language and other religion, abroad friends and relatives. From March 2nd to April 12th, 2022, Jupiter is in his own star, Puraprashtapada, 3 Padams. You may have the chances to get babies. Marriages will be arranged. Higher education is seen bright. From April 13th to 31st July 2022, Jupiter will be in an advanced transit to Pisces in Jupiter's Puraprashtapada Nakshatram 4th Padam and Saturn's Uttraprashtapada Nakshatra stars. As Saturn is 8th and 9th house Lord, pending court cases will be finalized. Chances for sudden income is seen. You may get the help and support from your father. After July 31st, Jupiter retrogrades and transits to Aquarius during September 2022 and will be in Aquarius till November 2022. In this period, Jupiter aspects over 2nd house Cancer, 4th house Virgo, 6th house Scorpio. Finance and fund flow will be from all the sides. Family will be harmonious and family members will cooperate. There will be marked improvement in mother's health. Purchase of house, plot and vehicle is seen bright. You may get easy bank loans for the same. There may be change of place or change of post in the workplace. Problems in the workplace will be less and you can pull on with less pressure. Higher ups who trouble you will become friendly. Jealous co-workers will be silent. On the whole, possibility of 50% less problems will be there because of 8th house Saturn. Dear Cancer sign, Cancer ascendants, ruled by Moon. Punarpusam 4th Padam. Pusam, Ailium star viewers. Your 6th and 9th house Lord Jupiter in the 8th house Aquarius from 20th November 2021. 6th and 8th house combination is known as Viparita Raja Yogam. So, in the 8th house, deep knowledge is going to be activated. You are going to research on negativity and get rid of it. Occult energy is going to increase. Spirituality is going to increase. Earning and gain of finance through investments. Invest in long-term plans. Any inheritance related issues and tax related issues can be resolved. To know who you are, it is the best place. It's a blind spot. Cancer, moon sign, viewers should be careful. For Cancer ascendants, it is okay. In the 8th house. But 9th house Lord in the 8th house is not favorable. 8th house stands for secret, deep desires, court cases, and unexpected problems, accidents, surgery, sudden income. Take care of your health with due medical advice. Jupiter aspects over 12th house Gemini, 2nd house Leo, and 4th house Libra. Fund flow will be flawless and your bank balance will increase. Family life will be harmonious and family members will cooperate. Your occasion will be respected everywhere. There will be unnecessary expenses and tiresome travels on joyful occasions and celebrations in the family. You may feel very happy. Chances for purchase of house, land and vehicles are seen bright. There will be no hindrance to your luxuries and comfort. There will be marked improvements in mother's health. From 20th November 2021 to 1st January 2022, Jupiter travels over Mars star Avitam, 3rd and 4th Padam. So business, trade and career will flourish and your skills and hard work will be recognized and appreciated. Mars is your 5th and 10th house Lord. Jupiter is Putrakaragan and is aspecting your 5th house, Putrasthan. Traveling over Mars may gift with childbirth for those who are expecting. Children will flourish in education and all walks of life and you may feel proud about them. From January 2nd to March 1st, 2022, Jupiter passes over Dragon Rahu star Sadabhishak. So you may get chances to get help from abroad relatives, abroad friends, other languages and other religion people. Chances to meet the relatives separated is seen. From March 2nd to April 12th, Jupiter moves on his own star Pura Proshtapata. You may get the help and support from your father and inheritance of paternal property is seen. Be careful in financial dealings and don't stand as surety. Old debts will be cleared. On April 13th, 2022, Jupiter accelerates in advanced transits to Pisces. Chances for long distance travel is seen. From April 13th to July 31st, Jupiter travels over his own star Pura Proshtapata. The 7th and 8th of Saturn star Uttara Proshtapata. So spouse relationship will be intimate with love and affection. Friends and business partners will cooperate. From August 1st, Jupiter retrograde and transits to Aquarius on September and October and finally transits to Pisces on November 2022. In the advanced transit, Jupiter aspects over your sign Cancer, 3rd house Virgo, 5th house Scorpio. Your skills will flourish. You will be respected. You will be courageous to face anything. Your efforts will be successful. Younger siblings will cooperate. You will be gifted with child. Children will flourish in education and in all aspects. You may feel proud about them. So 5 months of Jupiter's advanced transit is favorable for Cancer. Dear Leo sign, Leo ascendants ruled by Sun, Makam, Puram, Uttaram, 1st Padam star viewers. 5th and 8th house Lord Jupiter transits to 7th house Aquarius on 20th November 2021. 7th house expands your connectivity in business, your presence in public, improves courage, spouse relationship, any business contracts, friends. 5th house Lord in 7th house will make you happy. Spouse relationship will be intimate with love and affection. Good time to stabilize any issue in marriages. Good time to initiate marriage to find out the suitable partner. Partnership business will flourish and to have any types of business contract. Chances of childbirth is seen. When 8th house lord is in the 12th house of 8th house, that is 7, sudden decision on 7th house properties like finance, marriages is seen. 7th house is the 10th house of 10th house, that is Bhavat Baba. Have your career, business and trade. Impact on sudden change in the business will give an improved environment. Enmity will end. Pending court cases will be finalized. Confusions in the family will have an end. Sudden income is seen in the family. Jupiter aspects over 11th house Gemini, your sign Leo and 3rd house Libra, which improves courage in public, enhance the property of Gemini and Libra. Long-lasting desires will be fulfilled. You may get unexpected profits. Elder siblings will cooperate. You will be respected everywhere. You will be reputed for your managerial capacity. Your efforts will be successful. Short distance travels will be beneficial. From 2021 to January 1st, 2022, Jupiter will be in Mars native star Dhanishta, 3rd and 4th Padam. Mars is the 4th and 9th house lord, so he will improve your comforts and luxuries. Chances for purchase of house, land and vehicles are seen bright. You may get the help and support from your father. Chances for higher degree education is seen. Jupiter travels over Dragon Ragu star Sadabhishek from 2nd January 2022 to 1st March 2022. You may get the help and support from other language, other religion, abroad friends and relatives. Chances for abroad education and abroad career is seen. From 2nd March 2022 to 12th April 2022, Jupiter in his own star Pura Prasthapata, 1st, 2nd and 3rd Padam will make you happy. Orators, lawyers, professors and teachers will flourish. Communication side also will have a great future. Children will be bright in education. Favorable time for childbirth. Marriages can be initiated. This prediction is till April 12th, 2022. From 13th April to 31st July, when Jupiter accelerates in advanced transit to Pisces, your 7th house, and after that retrogrades and come to Aquarius in September. Finally, on November transits to Pisces. During the advanced transit, Jupiter travels over his own star Pura Prasthapata and 6th and 7th house Saturn's star Uttara Prasthapata. Be careful in financial dealing. Don't stand as surety for anyone. Your enemies will run away seeing you. Friends and business partners may not cooperate. Avoid third-party interference in spouse relationship. Relative may behave differently and may deal with backbiting tactics. Understand everyone and act accordingly. Jupiter aspects over 12th house Cancer, 2nd house Virgo, 4th house Scorpio in the advanced transit. Family life will be harmonious and family members will cooperate. But you cannot avoid tiresome travels and unnecessary expenses over joyful occasions and celebrations in the family. You will be luxurious and comfortable. There will be marked improvements in mother's health. Chances for house, land and vehicle purchase is seen. Take care of your health with due medical advice. It's a wonderful and desire-fulfilling transit. Dear Virgo sign, Virgo ascendant, ruled by Mercury, Uttaram, 2nd, 3rd, 4th Padam. Hastam, Chittira 1st, 2nd Padam viewers. 4th and 7th house Lord Jupiter transits to your 6th house Aquarius on 20th November 2021. 6th house is not the right house. Sense of responsibility will be more. But the 4th and 7th Kendra house Lord improves 6th house properties. More about solving personal conflicts, more involvement in work-life balance. You may get enemies come across. You may get suggestions and critics all come across from enemies. You need broader mindset to activate Jupiter. If Sun is positive, there is no problem. If Sun is negative or debilitated in your birth chart, you have to be slightly careful. Investments, loans, buying of properties seems to be positive. There will be mixed result. Strides of positive supersede the negative. So, you may get easy bank loans for the purchase of house, land and vehicles. You may have to go in for loans for the purchase of properties. Loan increases by loans. You must be careful with business partners if you are doing partnership business. Take care of your health with due medical advice. Chances for stomach related problems are seen. Be friendly with everyone. Avoid enmity. Jupiter aspects over 10th house Gemini, 12th house Leo, 2nd house Libra. So business, trade and career will flourish. Your hard work and working skills will be recognized and appreciated. You may have to spend more and travel more, for there will be joyful occasions and celebrations in the family. Fun flow will be flawless without bumps. Family life will be harmonious and family members will cooperate. From 20th November 2021 to 1st January 2022, Jupiter travels over Mars native star Dhanishta, 3rd and 4th Padam. Be away from court cases and controversies. You will be courageous in the public. All your efforts will be successful. Younger siblings will flourish. From 2nd January 2022 to March 1st 2022, Jupiter moves on Satabhishak, Dragon Ragu's native star. So you may get the help and support from your father. Chances of getting help from abroad friends, abroad relatives, other language and other religion people is seen. From March 2nd to April 12th, Jupiter walks over his own star Puraprosthapata. So your comforts and luxuries won't have any hindrance. Spouse relationship will be intimate with love and affection. From 13th April 2022 to 31st July 2022, Jupiter accelerated in advanced transit to Pisces, your 7th house, which will favor you in many ways. This period, friends and business partners will cooperate. Spouse relationship will be intimate with love and affection. In the advanced transit, Jupiter aspects over the 11th house Cancer, your sign Virgo, and 3rd house Scorpio and Dragon Ketu. Your efforts will be successful. You will be courageous in the public. Short distance travel will be beneficial. Your long lasting desires will be fulfilled. You may get unexpected profits. Elder siblings will be helpful and cooperate. You will be respected everywhere. Old debts will be cleared. Health issues so far suffered will come to an end. Jupiter in advanced transit travels over Puraprosthapata 4th Padam from 13th April 2022 to 28th April 2022 in Jupiter's native star, and from 29th April 2022 to 31/7/2022 will travel over Uttaraprosthapata 5th and 6th house Lord Saturn's native star. Children will flourish in education. You may have to incur expenses over them. Chances for childbirth is seen as 5th house. Lord is in the 6th house. So advanced transit of 5 months is wonderful and desire fulfilling transit. Dear Libra sign, Libra ascendants, ruled by Venus, Chitri 3rd and 4th Padam, Swati, Visakam 1st, 2nd, 3rd Padam star viewers. Your 3rd and 6th house Lord, Jupiter transits to your 5th house, Aquarius, on November 20th, 2021. So far, you have suffered with 4th house Saturn and 4th house Jupiter. You may be relieved 50% by 5th Kona Jupiter because he will favor you in many ways. You may gain knowledge and your confidence level will improve. Your presence in network circle will improve. You will be courageous in public to increase productivity level, reduce procrastination and be an agile person. Beware of expenditure. You may have stomach ailments. Stop eating random food. Eat little and small portions to avoid gastric disorders. 5th of Jupiter will resolve the situation of your destiny and identity. Concentrate on scriptures. Donate books to needy person. In the workplace, subordinates will work for you personally and financially. Family deities' blessings will be always there for you. Children will flourish in all aspects and you may feel proud about them. Chances for childbirth is seen for those who are expecting. Jupiter aspects over 9th house Gemini, 11th house Leo, your sign Libra. So you may get the help and support of your father. You may have abroad chances. Your long lasting desires will be fulfilled. Elder siblings will cooperate. Your skills will flourish and you will be respected. Jupiter from 20th November 2021 to 1st January 2022 will be in the 2nd and 7th house Lord Mars native star Dhanishta, 3rd and 4th Padam. So fun flow will be flawless without bumps. Keep silent to maintain harmony in the family. Spouse relationship will be intimate with love and affection. Friends and business partners will cooperate. From January 2nd, 2022 to March 1st, 2022, Jupiter moves over 8th house Dragon Ragu star Satabhishak. You may get sudden income. Abroad relatives, abroad friends, other language and other religion people will help. Be away from court cases and controversies. From 2nd March to 12th April 2022, Jupiter moves in his own star Puraprosthapata. So your efforts will be successful. You will be courageous in public. Younger siblings will flourish. Enemies will run away seeing you. Your old debts will be cleared. Health issues so far suffered will come to an end. From 13th April to 31st July 2022, in your 6th house Pisces, Jupiter travels over his own star Puraprosthapata and 4th and 5th house Lord Saturn's native star Uttaraprosthapata. Be careful in financial dealings and don't stand as surety for anyone. In the advanced transit, Jupiter aspects over 10th house Cancer, 12th house Virgo, and 2nd house Scorpio. Business, trade, and career will flourish. Your hard work and skills will be appreciated and recognized. Business and trade will be profitable. You cannot avoid tiresome travels and unnecessary expenses over joyful occasions and celebrations in the family. Fund flow will be flawless without bumps. You will be economically elevated. Family life will be harmonious and family members will cooperate. On 1st August, Jupiter retrogrades to Aquarius and will be there till November, duly ending the retrogression. This transit is almost a wonderful and desire fulfilling. Dear Scorpio sign, Scorpio ascendants ruled by Mars, Vishakam 4th Padam, Anusham, Ketai star viewers. Your 2nd and 5th house Lord, Jupiter, transits to your 4th house Aquarius on 20th November 2021. Expansion of family is seen. More opportunities for purchase of luxurious items and gold ornaments are seen. Your bank account will get invested profitably. Decorators, automobile engineers, architects, Vastu consultant will flourish. Scorpio moon sign must be careful that you can misjudge the correct path. As the 2nd house Lord is in the 4th house, your luxuries and comforts won't have any hindrance. But you may have to face hurdles and obstacles because of the 4th house Jupiter. Fund flow will be flawless without bumps. Flexibility between family members will be good to maintain harmony. Take care of mother's health with due medical advice. Purchase of house, land and vehicle is seen bright. So, you may get easy bank loans for the same. Jupiter aspects over 8th house Gemini, 10th house Leo, 12th house Libra. Chances of sudden fund flow and lucky seen. Business, trade and career will flourish. In the workplace, trouble given by superiors will come to an end. Jealous co-workers may keep silent. Your hard work and skills will be recognized and appreciated. There won't be any hindrance to your sleep comfort. Chances for long distance travel is seen. You cannot avoid tiresome travels and unnecessary expenses on joyful occasions and celebrations in the family. Be away from court cases and controversies. From 20th November 2021 to January 1st 2022, Jupiter travels over your sign and 6th house Lord Mars native star Dhanishta 3rd and 4th Padam. It will be favorable. Chances of purchase of immovable properties is seen. You may get easy bank loans for the purchase of the properties. Enemies will run away seeing you. From 2nd January 2022 to 1st March 2022, Jupiter travels on 7th house Dragon Ragu's star Satabhishek. Partnership business will flourish. Finance from abroad, friends and relatives is seen. Friends and business partners will cooperate. Spouse relationship will be intimate with love and affection. From 2nd March 2022 to 12 April 2022, Jupiter will be in his own star Purva Proshtapada. Your fund flow will be flawless without bumps. You will be economically elevated. Family life will be harmonious. From 13th April to 31st July, Jupiter accelerates in advanced transit to your 5th house Pisces over his own star Purva Proshtapada, and on 3rd and 4th house Lord Saturn star Uttara Proshtapada. Pending marriages will be initiated and arranged. You may feel very happy. Chances of childbirth is seen for those who are expecting. Children will flourish in education and all walks of life, and you may feel proud about them. All your efforts will be successful. You will be courageous in public. Jupiter aspects over 9th house Cancer, 11th house Virgo and your sign Scorpio. You may get the help and support from your father. You may travel long distance. Long-lasting desires will be fulfilled. You can get unexpected profits also. Elder siblings will cooperate. Your skills will be honored. The advanced transit period of 5 months will be wonderful and desire fulfilling. Dear Sagittarius sign, Sagittarius ascendants ruled by Jupiter, Moolam, Puradam, Uttradam, first Padam star viewers. Your sign and 4th house Lord, Jupiter transits to Aquarius, your 3rd house, on 20th November 2021. Don't get scared of 3rd house Jupiter, as you have suffered a lot with 7.5 Saturn and debilitated Jupiter in the 2nd house. Something good will happen. 3rd house Jupiter will connect you spiritually and make you travel religious on pilgrimage. But you have to move out from your comfort zone to learn about everything. Your communication skill will improve. You may lose your regular comfort zone for a new avenue of comfort. Strike the correct balance between good and bad. Jupiter aspects over 7th house Gemini, 9th house Leo, 11th house Libra. Your efforts will be successful. You will be courageous to face anything. Younger siblings will cooperate. Chances for initiating and finalizing marriages are seen. Friends and business partners will cooperate. Partnership business will flourish. You may get the help and support from your father. Inheritance of paternal property is seen. Since profit house is aspected over by Jupiter, you may get profits from all over. Your long-lasting desires will be fulfilled. You may get unexpected profits. You may expect change of place and change of post. Those who are away from family will join with their family. Jupiter's travel over 5th and 12th house Lord Mars, native star, Dhanishta 3rd and 4th Padam from 20th November to 1st January 2022. During this period, children will be bright in education and in all aspects, and you may feel proud about them. Total blessings of your family deity will be showered on you and you will be very happy. Chances for going abroad is very bright. You cannot avoid tiresome travels and unnecessary expenses. When Jupiter travels on 6th house Dragon Ragu's Sadabhishak star from 2nd January to 1st March 2022, career side will be very bright. You may get the help and support from abroad friends, abroad relatives, other language and other religion people. From 2nd March 2022 to 12th April 2022, Jupiter moves on his native star Pura Proshtapata. You will be favored on all aspects. All your efforts which faced a downfall because of 7.5 Saturn will be successful. You will be respected and honored. From 13th April 2022 to 31st July 2022, Jupiter accelerates in an advanced transit to 4th house Pisces. On Jupiter's native star Pura Proshtapata and Saturn's native stars Uttara Proshtapata, fund flow will be flawless without bumps. All your efforts will become successful. You will be courageous to face anything. Family life will be harmonious and family members will cooperate. After retrogression in Pisces, Jupiter moves to Aquarius during September. Finally, he transits to Pisces during November. In the advanced transit to Pisces, Jupiter aspects over 8th house Cancer, 10th house Virgo, 12th house Scorpio. So, pending cases will be finalized in your favor. Chances for sudden income and luck is seen. Business, trade and career will flourish, duly overcoming the hurdles. Your skills and hard work will be recognized and appreciated. Temporary jobs will be get stabilized and you will get a permanent post. Chances for abroad opportunities are seen bright, but you cannot avoid tiresome travels and unnecessary expenses. Dear Capricorn sign, Capricorn ascendants ruled by Saturn, Uttradam, 2nd, 3rd, 4th Padam, Thiruvonam, Avitam, 1st, 2nd Padam, star viewers. Your 3rd and 12th house Lord Jupiter transits to your 2nd house Aquarius on 20th November 2021. Fund flow will be flawless without bumps. Family will be harmonious and family members will cooperate. For the sufferings and problems faced by 7.5 Saturn, this transit will be like a mirage in a desert. So many problems will be solved with flawless fund flow. You can take it as a transformation period. Lost money will come back to you. From loss to gain, lost brothers and friends may come back to reunite. Be with family. More you give, more you gain. Cut your loans and have better mindset. Follow Vedic rituals and better to hold to your life. All your efforts will be successful. You will be courageous in the public. Younger siblings will cooperate. You may have tiresome travels and unnecessary expenses over joyful occasions and celebrations in the family. From Aquarius, Jupiter aspects over 6th house Gemini, 8th house Leo, 10th house Libra. So old debts will be cleared. Enemies will run away seeing you. Health issues so far suffered will come to an end. Pending court cases will be finalized in your favor. Business, trade and career will flourish. Business and trade will be profitable. Career side, Your hard work and working skills will be recognized and appreciated by everyone. Job opportunity is seen bright for the job seekers. From 20th November 2021 to 1st January 2022, Jupiter travels over 4th and 11th house Lord Mars native star Dhanishta 3rd and 4th Padam. Chances for purchase of immovable properties are seen bright. Purchase of house, land and vehicles is seen. You may get easy bank loans for the purchase of same. Your long-lasting desires will be fulfilled. You may get unexpected profits. Elder siblings will help and support. From 2nd January 2022 to 1st March 2022, Jupiter travels over 5th house Dragon Ragu's native star Sadabhishek. So you'll be very happy. Children will flourish in education and in all aspects. They may have the chances to study abroad. So you may feel proud about them. From 2nd March 2022 to 12th April 2022, Jupiter travels on his native star Puraprashtapada. Your efforts will be successful. And from 13th April 2022 to 31st July 2022, Jupiter accelerates in an advanced transit to Pisces on his own star Puraprashtapada, and your sign and second house lord Saturn's native star Uttaraprashtapada. This period will be very much favorable and marriages can be initiated and arranged. Family life will be harmonious and family members will cooperate. From the third house Pisces, on 1st August 2022, Jupiter retrogrades and moves to Aquarius during September, and he'll stay in Aquarius during October and November, and the next transit to Pisces takes place during November. From Pisces, Jupiter aspects over 7th house Cancer, 9th house Virgo, 11th house Scorpio. So spouse relationship will be intimate with love and affection. Friends and business partners will cooperate. Those who are waiting for marriage will get their marriage initiated and settled. You may get the help and support from your father. Chances for abroad job and abroad studies are seen. You may get unexpected profits. Your long-lasting desires will be fulfilled. Elder siblings will be helpful and cooperate. So this transit is a wonderful transit and desire-fulfilling transit to Capricorns. Dear Aquarius sign, Aquarius ascendants ruled by Saturn, Dhanishta 3rd and 4th Padam, Sadabhishek, Puraprashtapada 1st, 2nd, 3rd Padam star viewers. Your 2nd and 11th house Lord Jupiter transits to your sign Aquarius on 20th November 2021. Jupiter on your sign impact your personality, knowledge, marriage and destiny. These three areas will improve. Chance of childbirth is improved this time. You will gain lot of things from the family, and one of the family members will help you in all aspects. Your expectation will get fulfilled. In your birth chart, if Jupiter is weak or retrograde, you have to work very hard. Your hard work will be fructified now. Try to stabilize yourself, expand your identity and work hard. So, your hard work will change your identity. Learn as much as you can. Upgrade yourself with the required skills. Expand your consciousness. Practice anger management and control your ego. Don't spend your resources on unnecessary things. Avoid ultimate unnecessary expenses which may increase your bank balance. Chances for favorable place change, post change is seen. Jupiter aspects over 5th house Gemini, 7th house Leo, 9th house Libra from Aquarius. So your 5th and 9th Kona and 7th Kendra is strengthened by this transit. So you'll be strong and stubborn to face anything. You may feel very happy. Your children will flourish in education and other activities, and you may feel proud about them. Family deity worship will be beneficial for you. Spouse relationship will be intimate with love and affection. Friends and business partners will cooperate. Partnership business will flourish. You may get the help and support from your father. Inheritance of paternal property is seen bright. Though Jupiter is on your sign Aquarius, aspects of Jupiter on 5th, 7th and 9th Bhavas will favor you very much. From 20th November 2021 to January 1st 2022, Jupiter travels over 3rd and 10th house Lord, Mars, native star, Dhanishta, 3rd and 4th Padam. So, during this period, business, trade and career will flourish, duly overcoming the hurdles. Business and trade will be profitable. In the career side, your hard work and skills will be recognized and appreciated. Your efforts will be successful. You may be courageous in the public. Younger siblings will cooperate. From 2nd January 2022 to 1st March 2022, Jupiter moves over 4th house, Dragon Ragu's native star, Sadabhishak, which will make you luxurious and comfortable. There may be marked improvement in mother's health. Chances for house, land and vehicle are seen. You may get the help and support from your mother. From 2nd March 2022 to 12th April 2022, Jupiter travels over his native star, Purva 1st, 2nd, 3rd Padams. So, fund flow will be flawless without bumps. Family life will be harmonious and family members will cooperate. Your occasion will be respected. Your long-lasting desires, expectation will be fulfilled. You may get unexpected profit. Elder siblings will cooperate. Period from 13th April 2022 to 31st July 2022, Jupiter accelerates in an advanced transit in the second house Pisces. So, fund flow will be enormous. You will be economically elevated. In the advanced transit in Pisces, Jupiter travels over his native star Purva 4th Padam and 12th and your sign lord Saturn's native star Uttara. As it is your sign lord stars, it will be favorable for you and your sign lord will help you to elevate in your career. It is a good time to come out of the problems of 7 of Saturn. You have to utilize this period to come up in life. Jupiter aspects over 6th house Cancer, 8th house Virgo, 10th house Scorpio. Old debts will be cleared. Your enemies will run away seeing you. Health issues so far suffered will come to an end. Pending cases will be finalized in your favor. Chances for sudden income and luck is seen. Be away from court cases and controversies. Business, trade and career will flourish. Business and trade will be profitable. In the career side, your working skills and hard work will be recognized and appreciated and you may get promotions. So, this transit is life-creating transit and life-changing transit for Aquarians. Dear Pisces sign, Pisces ascendants ruled by Jupiter, Purva 4th Padam, Uttara Revati star viewers. Your sign lord and 10th house lord Jupiter transits to Aquarius, your 12th house on 20th November 2021. Sign lord in the 12th house is not favorable. When sign lord is in the 12th house, your subconscious mind will be activated. You need to take care and control the things you see, listen and hear. If you are able to control your subconscious mind, it is a lost controlling transit for you. You have to accept and hear the necessary advices to bring the necessary control and necessary people's advice, control your losses to repay your loans and help you take control over your disease. Since your sign lord is in the 12th house away from your natural house, you will lose touch with your identity, lose yourself. This transit will improve the exit of negativity. Donate your knowledge. Share your knowledge with others. In detail, the 12th house Jupiter, your sign lord will make you spend more and travel more on joyful occasions and celebrations in the family. As Jupiter is your 10th house lord and he is in the 12th house, which is the third house of 10th house, business, trade and career will flourish and your efforts over career, business and trade will be successful. You will be courageous in the public. Jupiter aspects over 4th house Gemini, 6th house Leo, 8th house Libra from the 12th house Aquarius. So, there won't be any hindrance to your luxuries and comforts. Chances for house, land and vehicles are seen bright. Mother's health will have marked improvements. Chances for clearance of old debts is seen. Health issues so far suffered will come to an end. Enemies will run away seeing you. Pending court cases will be finalized in your favor. Chances for sudden income and luck is seen. Jupiter's placement in the 12th house is not favorable, but the aspect of Jupiter will clear all the hurdles and barricades. From 20th November 2021 to 1st January 2022, Jupiter transits over 2nd and 9th house Lord Mars native star Dhanishta. So, fund flow will be flawless without bumps. Family life will be harmonious and family members will cooperate. Chances for help and support from father is seen. From 2nd January 2022 to 1st March 2022, Jupiter moves over 3rd house Lord Dragon Rahu's native star Sadabhishak. So it is favorable on all aspects. You may get the help and support from abroad friends, relatives, other language and other religion people. From 2nd March 2022 to 12th April 2022, Jupiter moves on his own native star, Pura Proshtapata, 1st, 2nd, 3rd Padam. Business, trade and career will flourish. Your skills and hard work will be recognized and appreciated by everyone. Jupiter accelerates in advanced transit to your sign, Pisces, from 13th April 2022 to 31st April 2022 in Jupiter's native star, Pura Proshtapata, and 11th and 12th house Lord Saturn's native star Uttara Proshtapata. Ruling Jupiter in Pisces will favor you, though he is in your sign. You may get unexpected profits as Jupiter is in the 11th house ruling Saturn's star Uttara Proshtapata. Your long-lasting expectations and desires will be fulfilled. Elder siblings will help and support you. From 1st August, Jupiter retrogrades and transits to Aquarius during September and will be there till November and finally transits to Pisces in November. In the advanced transit from Pisces, Jupiter aspects over 5th house Cancer, 7th house Virgo, 9th house Scorpio. You may feel very happy. Children will flourish in all aspects and education side also. You may feel proud about them. You may have the blessings of your family deity. Spouse relationship will be intimate with love and affection. Friends and business partners will cooperate. Partnership business will flourish. You may get the help and support from your father. Chances for abroad job and abroad education is seen bright. Higher education is seen bright. So, advanced transit of Jupiter is very much favorable than the direct transit to Aquarius. Worship of Tiruchendur Murugan and visiting Gurusthalas like Alangudi Thittai will be beneficial. If not possible, you can visit the nearby Shiva temple and worship Lord Dakshinamurti on Thursdays. I think you like this video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe and press the bell button to get my videos immediately. Thank you very much.